Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Right, you might wonder why I'm filming a car park. Well, it's a little quiet back road, and I am just in between Nottingham and Derby. At a pub. This is the back end of the pub, so there are no signs up. And it's the Navigation Inn. I've stopped here before. They were ever so nice. And I've got to meet Kevin. He's coming down so far, so I've got to meet Kevin. So this is about the best place to meet him, halfway. And this is the size of the car park we got. Look at my little girl just had a pee in the middle of the car park. This is the halfway mark. Oh, it's alright, the dog's wrapping me up again. Plenty of grass for the kids, tables outside, play area down the bottom there for the kids. The other side of those cottages there, those houses, there's the marina. I can't remember the name of the marina, but I will put the references in the description below. There's a beautiful marina. There is a campsite there, right, but they're shut now for a week, so he said if I was going to go and try there, I said no. I said I've been here before, I'm going to stay here. You looked after me last time. Well, the staff did. So tonight they've got a bric-a-brac sale on in there, and so there's going to be stuff for to raise money for the air ambulance. So there's going to be a few in, I should imagine. I expect they're open. There's going to be a few. But it's nice and clean inside. I'm here, I've got here, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, perhaps 4 in the afternoon, and it's happy hour. And I can never understand why they call it happy hour, because it's 4 or half past now, and it lasts until 7 o'clock. £2.70 a pint. Oh, come here you. Dog just yanked me. These tyres have performed absolutely ace. I didn't hear any droning. Oh, dog's wrapped me up again. Didn't hear any droning whatsoever. And because the front ones were on the back, they've been cut nice and flat, and the front ones did want to follow the tram lines on the motorway. So they've worked okay though. They've come up to scratch now. Look at those streaks on the side of the van still, all the way down there. I mean, it's simple. They wipe off. Don't know why. They don't leak or anything like that anyway. I blocked my fridge vent off because I don't need that anymore. I haven't blocked that one off. Oh, I have on the inside. I don't need that anymore. I haven't insulated it because I got an electric fridge, not a gas one. So, right, I'm going to go back in. Oh, I just realised I left my glass in the van. So I'll get another one. Give it a quick walk around the pub. It's alright. Running an auction in here tonight, so it's going to be noisy. It's alright. We are doggy friendly. Next time, bring your best friend along for a doggy beer. Yep, that's the way to do it. As I say, they got a sale here tonight. Raise money for the air ambulance. Didn't know that before I got here. So that room's full.
We're taking that cable back.
Our bandits.
While he's not here.
Oh God, on YouTube again.
Hello, Kev.
Oh, sugar, he's back.
I caught you. I'm just trying to think where that started.
Every time I watch Womble, he says diesel eater, right?
Diesel. The amount of comments I get on my YouTube channel saying, "What's a diesel eater?" And they always spell it eater. We've got Uncle Keith.
No.
Uncle Daryl.
No.
Okay, the other way around. Uncle Keith.
Hello.
Uncle Daryl.
Hello.
Just a joke.
And just a Geordie that we are having a hell of a job understanding. I mean, I come from Hereford, and nobody understands me.
What was that? I didn't quite understand that.
Don't. I'll use the proper mic. Just for John.
Hello, John.
Hello, John. What was the question?
Remember, you're a Womble.
Remember it.
John's up to drive my Womble. It's like fulfill the lifetime dream from to get
Keep calm, you're a Womble.
And my Womble didn't get stuck. It was one of the only vehicles that did not get towed that weekend. Even though I didn't drive it off.
At where? John drove it off.
Because
he was so drunk.
I'm going to stop it now, right? And I'm too drunk.
That's still recording. Yeah, it is. Stop recording. Stop recording. Shut down.
Stop recording. Well, he's gone again. He's gone for a wee. And he's left his better half here. So, while he's not here, what do you think about the old geezer?
Oh, I love me Womble. I think he got me Womble. I think he's brilliant. I think he's brilliant. It's me, diesel eater.
You're not going to say anything about him?
What is it this time?
He's a one-off.
Right. It's now pretty close to midnight. And we've had a takeaway. We're in my van. Keith and Darryl have left after they picked on me for all evening. So we're in here now. And I just discovered my doggy likes curry. You want it? Yeah. She likes curry. Fucking hot though for me. Man alive. I'm not hot curry man, and this is quite warm. It's alright. I like it. I can't eat too much of it though, I think. Put it this way. I'll give you $5 if you could tell me what I'm having for breakfast in the morning. You want some more? Spuddy? Want some more? You want some? Want some more? That seat's empty because Kev's just gone to put his own diesel heater on. Mine's flat out. My feet are nice and warm. Well, it's really the first time I've seen Kev's up close. And she's got the normal grot that all the chassis cabs have. Body's okay though. Where's the dog gone? Oh, there she is. Back of the van. Right. Get the gas out because my gas bottle ran out. I only had one cup of tea this morning and it ran out. So Gotta get the new one out. Catching oil. Stop recording. Typical bloody YouTuber. Hello, Kev. Up the ladder. I don't think you needed to see me Silkaflex those down. Oh, I haven't taken the cellophane off that one. There. I haven't taken the cellophane off that, but I've Silkaflex those down. Sealed them. Run all the cables. The cables I've gone through the fiberglass nose cone. That was the easiest way to do that. So they're all plugged in. And I just got to take the cellophane off that one. Well, that was simple enough. Just had to we had two of these aerials. We had to take the aerials off and seal those up, and that was so simple. Just, what time is it? You say it was 11 o'clock now, isn't it? It's 11 o'clock now. I started at 9, so that's all I've got to do is just pull all this bloody stuff. Hell, it's sticky, this one is. The other one came off quite easy. Oh, come on. Yeah, I've sealed along the front edge because it is below that trim, so that you won't get wind underneath it. Come off, you bugger. You don't realise how tough that is. There. Oh, look. There's that. That's it. And of course, we're still at the pub. They don't open till 3, so not that I'm going in there today. Come on, come on. Now you can see how hard I'm pulling on that. That's how strong that Silkaflex is. There. It's around the little eyelets. I'm glad they put little eyelets in there, because sometimes you can screw them down as well. But we're not. It's just another bloody hole in a roof to leak, innit? Come on, girl. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, Silkaflex is squidging out in places. That's better. Now it's moving. There you go. Throw it at Kev. So there, that's all I need to show you up here. Now we just got to trace the wires down through the wall to the controller. Run the battery leads up first. But look at the sun. The sun's out. I don't know whether you can hear. That's the A50 over there, and the M1 over there. This is the A50 M1 junction, and that's the road to the marina. Right, stop recording. Stop recording. I'll get activated in 30 seconds.
Oh, what do you call it?
Timer cancelled.
The what do we call it? You know what it says when you see it at Bright Wells? It says start engine immediately.
Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Well, that goes through into the cab. Yeah. So there's the two cables coming down. Got them over there at the moment. I'm going to run them down, go across inside that box, and we're going to come down and have the controller on the wall here or there, I don't know yet. And we've only got to drop through the units down to the battery box. So, right, that's it. Oh, that's it, yeah. I never thought about copyrights. Right, I'm in the side of the ambulance now, in the front locker, and we've got the battery cables coming down from the charge controller down through. We've got to conduit and tidy it up out through into the battery box, which is slides out from the side of the van. These are the auxiliary batteries. So I'm just about to put some terminals on and terminals onto those, and then wait until he's connected to the what do you call it before I connect them. So right, get in there slowly, What time does it say out there? What time?
That'll be 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Right. That's it then. Catch you in a while. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's gone very overcast. What's the time, Kev?
It is 11:37.
11:37 now. And do you know what? I finished. It's down to Kev now to tidy up, not me. I said I'd do the job. I didn't say I'd clean up. Those cables want tidying up. They go down through to the batteries. They got to be put in there and tidied up. Easy enough job. Yeah, so those will go in there. Got a few bits left over, but isn't there always? Into the emblem, look. Oh, he does make a bloody good cup of tea though. This is the mess I made on the side. And it's charging. I don't know whether you can see on there. Yeah, she's charging. 12.9 up to. And it's showing that the panel's going up and down. Solar panel's on. And the load light's on. So he's just got to get some conduit. He's going to put those down into a conduit. Same with that. You can bend them and stick them to the wall. It's close for him to be able to use the USB. And it's showing 12.9 on there. And for some reason on the van system, it's not a very good meter, that. It's showing 12.4. Is that one that you put in?
Yeah.
That's why. That's why. Yeah, that's why. Yeah. So that's it. Just got to do the cleaning up. Have I got everything now? Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it. Our workbench has been his bed. I do like a step, so make the van wobble though. There, so I'm not showing you up on the roof because you just got to look back. I've already showed you that. I finished up there ages ago. And yeah, so that'll be it then. Another short and sweet one. Shut down. No, stop recording. Stop recording.